Hi everybody, welcome to With the Grain, the show where I try and not chop bits off myself with large power tools. I had this idea to try and do a kind of yin-yang-y type bowl arrangement, which hopefully won't kill me in the process. So let's try it. Taped it up just to hold it together whilst I chuck it up. This is going to be interesting. Now, I don't know how on earth I'm going to do this yet. We're going to be making it up as we go along. I'm hoping it doesn't fly out and hit me in the face. That would be bad. Let's turn the speed right down. See if we can try and balance this up a bit. It's incredibly hard wood. It comes off in pieces like bits of concrete. I don't know how I'm going to do the middle yet. I think what I'm going to do is cut two tenons on, one on each side, and then we should be able to chuck them up on the jaws on this side, and then turn the middles out individually. Oh, such a nice piece of wood. Come up a bit of speed now because we're balanced. See, the bench is not running away. About 2,000 RPM is about as much as I feel comfy with right now. So we're nearly round, but not quite. I need to get rid of this tape, it's annoying me. I think what I'm going to do is, now that tenon's done, because I can't cut the other one against the chuck, it's going to end up in tears and blood probably. I'm going to clean up this and then I think I'm going to turn it round. Now, I really made a mess of cutting that, didn't I? I don't know how I'm going to artistically change that. Maybe we need to take some more off the side just to see if we can get rid of some of it. Let's see how we go. That's not too bad. I'd be able to get away with that by the time we clean it up. Right, I'm going to turn it round. They're never going to be the same, but I guess the idea is to try. I've never done anything like this before. It's really quite hard. Like a very strange bowling ball. Excited about doing it like that. It's amazing how strong this stuff is. Who's going to come and visit me in hospital? It's kind of a weird thing. I don't know how on earth I'm going to do this. I guess it's just like turning something that's square for a while and then hopefully it'll work out. Now this is only going to be a small thing, so we'll see. Oh, that's so cool, look at that. How's that looking? Definitely going to have to scrape that little piece. I can't get anywhere near it. If I go much thinner, I'm going to take that edge off. It's a bit annoying, but hey, it's art form, isn't it? It doesn't have to be perfect. Normally you're supposed to try these things before you do them. It's good for the middle. Now this has got a particular use in mind, so I'm not that bothered about how deep it is, and I quite like the little bubble in the middle because that kind of serves the purpose. Kind of starting to see the idea. This is certainly the weirdest thing I've ever done on a lathe. You need a concave bottom, otherwise it won't sit right. If you've got any other silly ideas of stuff I could put on a lathe, then let me know. Good. So please subscribe, hit the like button, please leave me a comment. I like to hear from people, especially at the moment when things are so ridiculously weird. I think it's all good that we stick together. Everybody, here we are at the end. There's the bowl of two halves, yin-yang bowl, soulmate bowl. I'm not quite sure what you want to call it. The fit isn't perfect, but then the fit isn't perfect with anything generally, and it's the little imperfections that make it right. So please leave a comment, let me know how you thought it was, hit the like button and please subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye.